Dear audience of Atavatan TV Channel, good evening. I'm Ismail Orazgylyjov, and welcome to our Turkmenistan Weekly AI news program. Here are the latest updates from Turkmenistan's agenda in English. The meeting of the Halk Maslahati of Turkmenistan will be held on September 24th. In order to ensure the broad participation of representatives of the people in solving important issues of state and public life, strengthen the unity and cohesion of society, creatively improve the achievements in the development of national democracy, rely on the centuries-old experience of glorious ancestors in governing the state, and follow their wise precepts, as well as to organize the holding of a meeting of the Halk Maslahati of Turkmenistan, the highest representative body of the interests of the people of Turkmenistan. The Presidium of the Halk Maslahati of Turkmenistan resolves to convene the next meeting of the Halk Maslahati of Turkmenistan on September 24th, 2024, and hold it in the city of Ashgabat in the Maslahat Köşkü Palace. The President of Turkmenistan congratulated the elected President of the European Commission. President Serdar Berdimuhamedov sent sincere congratulations and best wishes to Ms. Ursula von der Leyen on her re-election as President of the European Commission. Expressing Turkmenistan's commitment to further strengthening the ties established with the European Union, the head of state noted that we support the development of these relations within the framework of the regional cooperation format between Central Asia and the European Union, also emphasizing our readiness to make efforts to promote mutually beneficial partnership in promising areas. Taking this opportunity, the President of Turkmenistan expressed his heartfelt wishes for good health, happiness and well-being to the President of the European Commission, as well as further achievement of great success in her position. The President of Turkmenistan received the UNICEF resident representative in Turkmenistan. On July 17, 2024, President Serdar Berdimuhamedov received the head of the United Nations Children's Fund, UNICEF office in Turkmenistan, Ms. Jalpa Ratna. As is known, our state was unanimously elected as a member of the UNICEF Executive Board for 2024-2026, which is the proof of the effectiveness of the country's long-term interaction with the Children's Fund. Currently, our partnership is carried out within the framework of the UNICEF Country Program for Turkmenistan for 2021-2025. This year, 10 documents were signed with the ministries and departments of our country, including a work plan in the field of child health, nutrition, early development, social security, and inclusive education, President Serdar Berdimuhamedov emphasized. During the conversation, it was noted with satisfaction that the legislative framework in the field of child protection is constantly being improved in Turkmenistan. Thus, the National Action Plan for the Implementation of Children's Rights for 2023-2028 was approved. Foreign Minister of Turkmenistan Rashid Meredov will visit Pakistan. Foreign Minister of Turkmenistan Rashid Meredov will visit Pakistan from 22 to 24 July 2024. He will hold extensive talks with the Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar and call on the Pakistani leadership. According to Foreign Office spokesperson Mumtaz Zahra Baloch, the talks between the two sides will cover all aspects of bilateral relations between Pakistan and Turkmenistan, an exchange of views on regional and global developments. That's all for today's news. Thank you for joining us. For more updates, visit our website or tune in to our next broadcast. Until then, take care and goodbye.